everyone, my name is Prisha and welcome back to my channel. Now normally we would be doing some sort of crazy fun science experiment, but today we're going to be doing something different. Today we're going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. Now, a few weeks ago I couldn't solve this at all, but then one of my friends came and taught me how, so I thought I should do the same for you guys. So, all you need for this is a Rubik's Cube. First, you've got to find what's called a yellow center. Like this. Now we've got to make a daisy. For that we need to have a white petal here, a white here, a white here, and a white here. Just like an actual daisy. As you can see on the screen above. As you can see, this is the yellow centerpiece. So now we're going to make, as I explained earlier, a daisy. Remember, a daisy is just a cross with a yellow center. So if you have got one on the second row, move it up like this. If you've got one down here, move it sideways like this and push it up. One down the bottom, same thing. And if you've got one at the very, very bottom, turn it to where you want it to go and then spin it twice so it makes a daisy. See, that was very simple. We've made our daisy. Now we're going to do something called the white cross. To do that, we have to pick any daisy petal. I choose this one. Now, see the piece below it is orange? I have to match it with another orange centerpiece to make it look like this. Now, I have to spin it twice. 1, 2. The outcome of that is it goes down here, kind of making a petal of our white cross. So I have to do the same thing with all others of my daisy petals. As you can see, these two are matched, so I spin it twice, and it's here. Spin it twice, and it's here. Spin it twice, and it's here. Now, we're going to be solving the entire white side. See, the white cross is here. Now we're going to be solving the entire white side using a special method. So first you have to look, where are your white pieces? I can see 2 are over here and 1 is over here. I'm going to solve the top 2 pieces first. So now, line your top white pieces with where it's meant to go. Now, move it down so it's in the first row. Remember to always hold the white side at the bottom. And carefully match it so it's diagonal the color it's beside. Go up, side, down, and spin it this way. The thing you just did is called the right trigger. If you do that same thing on the other side, it's called the left trigger. Now the outcome of that was it got here, but our cross is ruined, so we have to fix it almost immediately. Now I've got 2 more in the edges, in the first row. So same thing, match it diagonally, go up, right, down, spin it this way. See, it's over here. It's diagonally matched, up, side, down, done. Now the entire white side is solved, and so is the first row of all the other colors except yellow, of course. Now, since the centerpiece is yellow, we have to find all the pieces like this that don't have a yellow. For example, this piece. We want to try and get this piece in here. In order to do that, we spin it the opposite way. We do the right trigger. Up, side, down, this way. And now we match this white piece diagonally. And so it's solved. As you can see, the piece we wanted is now going here. Now do it with all the other pieces too. If it goes on the left side, spin it the other way, go up, right, down, spin it here, go here, there, and there. If you accidentally do the wrong piece, in order to get it out, you see this yellow piece? Just try and keep it in there, and that piece will automatically come out, like I accidentally did over there. So this piece goes over here. Spin it that way. Go up, side, down. Spin it that way. And ta-da! Keep on moving it. This one's matched. Same thing. It might be helpful to think, to line the pieces up, you've got to do something that's called a backwards T, an upside down T. This goes here, spin it here, up, side, down, this way, here, here, and here. And now your entire second row is solved. Now we're going to make something called the white cross. If you already have not the white cross, the yellow cross. If you already have a diagonal yellow line like this, hold it this way. And if you have an L shape, make sure the yellow piece is over there. But if you already have the whole cross, you've already done this step. But for the people who don't, this is how you do it. You spin it this way. You go up, side, and then down. So basically the right trigger. And spin here. Sometimes you have to repeat it if it's necessary. As you can see, we've made the yellow cross. Now we've got to match it up. You see, it has to match up. So the same backwards T, upside down T I mean. If you find out that only one of yours matches or none of yours matches, we're going to solve it right now. But if all four of you match it, good job, you're already ahead of us. Once you've got a matched piece, spin it so it's on your right side. Then do the right trigger. Up, side. Not the right trigger, but spin it there. Push this one down. Spin it over here. Move this piece back up. Spin it here and here so the white's in line. And push it down. Now you'll have to repeat this move if necessary. But as you can see, mine are all fixed. Now we're going to solve the corners. Solving the corners isn't exactly solving the corners, as it may sound. It won't solve the cube, but it will help us. As you can see, if I could twist this corner, there's the blue, there's the red. See everyone? The T's made. So as I was saying, there's the blue, there's the red, that's the yellow. So that piece is correct. That piece, it's wrong. That piece, it's wrong. And that piece, it's wrong. So in order to shuffle up my corners to get them correct, I spin it this way. I move up my white side, I spin this back, I move up my left side of white, spin this down, and spin this down. Are they fixed? Yep, this one is, and this one is. They're all fixed. Now, this is the final step to solving the cube. You have to turn your cube upside down. It's very important you stick to the one color you've chosen. I choose green. So you have to do the right trigger repetitively until the whole cube is solved. I'll show you how. You go up, side, down, and this side. It's green, but it isn't solved. Up, side, down, this side. It isn't solved. It's solved! So, very carefully, spin it over here. This is already solved, so I have to respin it over here. Now go the same thing. It's solved. Still spin it. Now this is the last corner for me. Okay. Right. Mm-hmm. Now it's almost solved. Just spin it until it matches up. Ta-da! See, it's very easy how to solve the Rubik's Cube once you get the general pattern of it. Now, if you're stuck at any step, please pause the video and do the step correctly, or else it might be very hard to solve it. And if you want to do more fun things like this, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!